Welcome to Garip Windows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn on how to fix the network discovery is turned off error on Windows 11. Windows operating systems are prone to network problems, and your Windows 11 machine may encounter the same issues. Network discovery has a major issue accessing other network-enabled devices on the same Wi-Fi network. Turning on network discovery does not resolve the issue either. Users see an error message, network discovery is turned off. We have provided a few steps in this Garip Windows article to help you fix the Windows 11 network discovery is turned off issue. How to enable network discovery on Windows 11. First, you need to ensure that network discovery is enabled on your Windows 11. For that, use these steps. Step 1. First, open Control Panel. Step 2. Then, click on the Network and Internet. Here, ensure View by is set to category, otherwise, you will see a different screen. Step 3. Now, click on the Network and Sharing Center. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click the Change Advanced Sharing Settings option. Step 5. When you're done, the Advanced Sharing Settings page will open. Here, click on the Private Networks tile to expand it. Step 6. Here, turn on the toggle switch network discovery. Check the option, Set up network connected devices automatically. You need to also turn on the toggle file and printer sharing if you have issues with sharing your printers or files. If after enabling the network discovery, you still get the error network discovery is turned off, you need to start some dependency services on your Windows 11 PCs. How to turn on and start network discovery's dependency services on Windows 11. Follow these steps to enable and start network discovery's dependency services. Step 1. First, open the Run dialog box. To do that, press the Windows plus or keyboard shortcut. Step 2. In the Run box, type the following and press Enter key on the keyboard or click the OK button to open the Services window. Services.msc. Step 3. In the Services panel, you'll need to enable and start the following services: DNS Client, Function Discovery Resource Publication, SSDP Discovery, UPnP Device Host. I will show an example, and you can start the other services similarly. For instance, to start UPnP Device Host service, do these. Locate the UPnP Device Host entry and double-click on it to open its setting. Ensure startup type is set to either manual or automatic. Then, click on the Start button. Finally, click the OK button to exit. If a service is already running, you can stop and start it again. How to allow network discovery in Windows Firewall. If the above steps cannot resolve the network discovery, you should allow it from Windows Firewall. To do that, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Control Panel. Step 2. Ensure a View by is set to category, and then click on System and Security. Step 3. In the following screen, click on the Windows Defender Firewall. Step 4. When you're done, Windows Defender Firewall will open. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Step 5. Click on the Change Settings button. Step 6. Now, scroll down in the list and place a checkmark for Private beside the Network Discovery option. Step 7. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the screen. How to reset network in Windows 11. If none of the above methods solve your problem, you need to reset the network adapter in your Windows 11 PC. Follow these steps to reset the network adapter in Windows 11. Step 1. First, launch Settings app. Step 2. Next, click Network and Internet on the left pane. Step 3. On the right pane, click the Advanced Network Settings. Step 4. Under More Settings, select the Network Reset option. Step 5. Then, click on the Reset Now button beside the Network Reset option. Step 6. In the pop-up window that appears, click the Yes button to complete the network reset process. Now, your PC will restart to reset the Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. You may need to reinstall Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter drivers. That's it. Please subscribe to Garip Windows channel if you have not yet already done. Thanks.